Clorox ToiletWand Disinfecting Refills, Rainforest Rush, 30 CT. Package may vary. Toilet bowl cleaner. Clean and disinfect with Clorox ToiletWand refills that kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses while leaving your toilet sparkling clean. Disposable sponges. These toilet scrub pad refill heads click onto the toilet wand to swish, scrub and clean the toilet bowl and conveniently pop off to throw in the trash. Disinfecting cleaner. Preloaded with Clorox cleaner. These disposable scrubbing pads deep clean and remove stains while eliminating germs to make your toilet bowl feel like new. Bathroom cleaning products. These toilet wand refills with Clorox cleaner are the perfect addition to your cleaning supplies. This all-in-one bathroom household cleaner eliminates the need to carry around a bottle of cleaner and germ-ridden toilet brush. Toilet scrubber. The hexagon-shaped sponge heads clean in hard-to-reach places under the bowl rim and drain for a deeper and faster clean to remove rust, calcium and lime stains. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.